Hello everyone, welcome to another card opening here on Simon's Card Hut. My name is Simon. Surprise. And we're going to be opening yet another box for Final Fantasy Magic the Gathering Play Boosters, and that's the wrong order to say it. So scramble it around and then it's correct. And without any further ado, we're starting. So many cards. Let's get more. Let's get a Venat, Heart of Hydaelyn, and a Hydaelyn, the Mother Crystal. And I don't know if that's the correct pronunciation still. Welcome to my life. We have another set. Hooray. We also have a Noctis, Prince of Lucius, in the very nice art treatment. Thank you. On to the next one we go. Let's see what we have. We have a Sin, Spira's Punishment. Oh yeah, also, sometimes I will pronounce names wrong for you, because I'm using the German pronunciation as I have learned it playing the game, for example. We have a Darkness Crystal here, and a very cool looking Sephiroth, but I think it's actually the flames. Yes, Nibelheimer flame. Haha. On to the next one. Where we have a Realm Reborn and a Fatal Push. On to the next one. Where we have a Starting Town. Very cool. And that's it. And a lovely Yuna. On to the next one. We have an Excalibur 2. And that's it. And that's alright. They can't all be hits. I mean, technically they can. We have a Venat, Heart of, I mispronounce it, and I mispronounce it, the Mother Crystal. Let's shorten that. On to the next one. We have a Realm Reborn in alternate art. Looks cool. And we have a Deadly Dispute. And that's it. On to the next one. I really like the red-black theme with the wizards, by the way. We have a Joshua, Phoenix's Dominant, and Phoenix Warden of Fire, a Laboratory Maniac, and an Etir and Priven. Yes, thank you very much. On to the next one. We have a Summon Primal Odin, a Sash Katsura, and that's it. On to the next one. So we have a wind crystal and a cell dinged. And that's it here. Moving on. We have a Squall Seed Mercenary. And that's it here. Moving on. I'm repeating myself very often. We have a Van Street Thief, a Search for the Frozen Esper, and a foil Summon Leviathan. Cool, cool, cool. On to the next one we go. With a Dark Confidant. Lovely. Always good to have more of those. And on to the next one we go. With an Ultima Origin of Oblivion in alternate art. Very cool. And a Mangara the Diplomat, also known as Minwu Rebellion Strategist. And that's it. On to the next one. Excitement. Are we still excited? Maybe, maybe not. We have another Etir and Priven. And that's that. On to the next one. Gotta go fast. No, we have a Mughals Valor, an Arden the Usurper, and an Adeline Resplendent Kafar, also known as Hero of Light, aka the main character. On to the next one. An Astrologian's Planisphere, from father to son. And that's it. In the next one, we have the Masamune, a Diabolic Intent, and that's it. Next pick. We have a Noctis, Prince of Lucius. And that's it. On to the next one. There we have a Genova, Ancient Calamity. And that's it. I'm not gonna complain again. I don't need a third Sephiroth. Let's see what the box gives without complaining. Because obviously the box is a sentient being. We get Ninja Blades. And I summon Leviathan. And that's it. Thinking about it, did we get no Gunblade? Huh. We get a Sarah Farron who transforms into a crystal, into a crystallized Sarah. I remember this plot point from Final Fantasy XIII. Then her boyfriend and her sister team up and try to find a way to fix her or something. It's been a while. Next one we get an Ishtola Rule, On to the next one. Where we have a Summon Bahamut. Second one. With alternate art. Lovely. On to the next one. Where we have, don't skip it, Genshi Glove and A Stroke of Midnight, aka Memories of Nibelheim. And then the last three. The last three. We have a Fire Crystal, Light Up a Stage, and a very happy Moogle. Second to last pack. I always like this art. We have a Tifa Lockhart. And then we have the last pack. Let's see what we get. We get a Matoya Archon Elder. And that's it for the box. So, thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. And I shall be seeing you at the next one.